Matthews is going to be played in standard tuning. Most of these chords are not full standard chords, they're just kind of octave chords. The first chord is going to be an F chord. Your first finger needs to be on the 6th string 1 fret, and you'll use your pinky finger on the 4th string 3 fret. You will want for your first finger to be muting out the 5 string for this chord. So that's the first hit. And then Dave Matthews goes with his second finger to the 5 string 2 fret and kind of hits that and slides it up. Slides up to the 5 string, what is that, 8 fret. So you get. And with your right hand, the strumming for this, excuse me, the strumming for this is pretty much just that's like a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So you're hitting the down, down, up, and then hit down, emphasizing your second finger on that 5 string 2 fret, and slide your second finger up to the 5 string 8 fret. And by the time your finger gets there to the 5 string 8 fret, you'll be ready for another down with your right hand. And so then the next 2 chords are going to be a B chord and a C chord. Your first finger will be on the 6th string 7 fret. Your pinky finger will be on the 4th string 9 fret. You'll hit that twice, down, down, and then take this shape and just lift it up 1 fret so that now your first finger is on the 6th string 8 fret, your pinky finger is on the 4th string 10 fret, and you down, down with your right hand again, and then fall back down into the F shape. Okay, so earlier I think that I said whenever you slide with your second finger up here to this 5 string 8 fret, that you would be hitting with your first finger. I want to change that. I think that your slide to the 5 string 8 fret, that the emphasis is just the slide, and then you hit, 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 hit. So that is the main riff that the verse lyrics are being sung over. I suspect that there are probably some versions where Dave Matthews plays this F chord as a full F chord, like as a full F5 chord with first finger on the 6th string 5 fret. First finger on the 6th string 1 fret, ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 3 fret. But then everything else would be the same. Whenever we get to the chorus, that's going to be an A octave chord where your first finger is on the 6th string 5 fret, with your pinky finger on the 4th string 7 fret. And the strumming pattern here, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So the A chord, slide down 2 frets to a G chord. Your first finger on the 6th string 3 fret, your pinky finger on the 4th string 5 fret, then to an F chord. Your first finger on the 6th string 1 fret, your pinky finger on the 4th string 3 fret, then to an E major chord. Open 6th string, second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 4th string 2 fret, first finger on the 3 string 1 fret. And most times Dave Matthews is just strumming those first 4 strings, but if your open 1 and open 2 gets strummed, that is fine as well. Now there are some times where Dave Matthews plays this as like a 3-fingered chord shape, these descending chords of A, G, F to the E, as in like first finger on the 5 string first finger on the 6th string 5th fret, ring finger on the 5th string 7th fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 7th fret, and then just take that shape and lower it. But sometimes it's just the octaves. Also, sometimes in this E chord, Dave Matthews tends to just play it by barring with his first finger on strings 5 and 4 on the 2nd fret with an open 6. But if you do this, it's very important to only hit strings 6, 5, and 4, because if you keep going down that bar, you get notes that are not in the chord. So back in like the 90s, Dave Matthews would play a fully formed E major chord there. Okay, when we get to the bridge, the bridge is going to be an A minor and a B minor. So an open 5 string, 2nd finger on the 4th string 2 fret, ring finger on the 3 string 2 fret, 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. Strumming pattern is basically the same here, kind of like a hit down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down is what is getting emphasized. But there's some lighter picking happening between there. So the A minor to the B minor. 1st finger on the 5th string 2 fret, ring finger on the 4th string 4 fret, ring finger on the 3 string 4 fret, 2nd finger on the 2 string 3 fret. You really want to just strum from the 5 string to the 2 string in this B minor. Repeat A minor to the B minor, 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 hold the B minor, then back into the F run. So those are the chords and the movements to Halloween by Dave Matthews. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.